Recipient of the award for Best Customer Service Broker 2018 from Global Brands Magazine and winner of the Best Trading Experience 2019 from fxdailyinfo.com, GMO Trading has carved out a robust investing experience for beginners and advanced traders alike with its thoughtfully streamlined online trading ecosystem. GMO Trading first began serving European clients in 2017, delivering a strong array of advantages including fast execution, affordable trading conditions, numerous educational resources, and the reliable customer service needed to support clients' investing ambitions. Participants are invited to invest commission-free in 5 different asset classes, featuring more than 250 tradable instruments like foreign exchange pairs, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. 30-to-1 leverage is available to retail clients, while approved professionals can access leverage that stretches as high as 500-to-1, depending on the asset class. The Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission is responsible for regulating GMO trading and its provision of services to EU-based clients, affording numerous protections including coverage from the Investor Compensation Fund, segregated accounts for client funds, and first-rate information security practices. Experienced traders will already be familiar with the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 platform. In addition, there are options available for web and mobile trading and numerous educational tutorials so beginners can navigate the platform's wide range of features and functions. One of the most beneficial aspects of the GMO trading ecosystem is the valuable trading conditions that clients gain access to. Between low starting variable spreads and fast execution, along with complementary VPS for platinum account holders, traders can implement a number of investing strategies, including automated algorithms and even hedging. Beyond the affordable and transparent trading conditions, GMO Trading provides ample educational resources hosted directly from the website. These materials include ebooks, tutorials, courses, articles, and more. Furthermore, Gold and Platinum account holders are granted access to webinars and video tutorials. When questions arise, the GMO Trading support team is very accessible from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. The company's representatives are very knowledgeable and reachable via email, phone, live chat, and even support ticket from the client area. Responses from the GMO Trading team were very professional and helpful when contacted. Our verdict? Beginners and advanced users can all appreciate GMO Trading's attentive approach to online trading thanks to the strong value-added benefits that accompany its ecosystem. From transparent trading terms to affordable conditions and fast execution, experienced investors with a well-honed strategy will feel right at home using higher leverage available for professionals, along with support for algorithmic strategies. Newcomers will appreciate the ample educational material and accessible customer support representatives. Taken all together, GMO's trading's features and benefits combine to form a formidable online trading experience that ticks all the boxes from regulation to reliable execution.